All right, let's go.
Are you gonna give me a hug?
We're going to Black Mesa for 3 days.
That'll be 9/27.
Here's camp.
Just got their binoculars and everything.
I want to show you little dudes, just very little specks, just start going up the mountain.
It's a white-tailed deer.
It's not gonna hurt. Actually, no. The other campers are gonna see what I have done.
Well, the rain is here. Very windy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's freezing. It dropped about 15 degrees. That one's okay. I don't think that one's going anywhere. Get in this one though and sit in this corner though. Okay. Because the wind is coming from this way.
Alright, I'm taking the food.
Freezing. There's the hill. Oh wow, we have a creek now. Well, this creek was empty 30 minutes ago. Jeez. Rushing in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Freezing. 55 degrees and windy. Do what?
Their tent is like destroyed over there.
Okay. So it's next morning. Got the tents back up. Got the water out. The pole snapped. And to get that duct tape back. Dry everything out.
This is a sign of good luck.
We're warming up for our 8-mile hike tomorrow on this little like 1 or 2 mile hike.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, woman.
But that really got me a little edge. I listened to this time.
We are hiking to the top of Black Mesa, or to the highest point in Oklahoma. We just started. It's about, what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
We're at the 2-mile mark. Passed a few people here already. Logan, feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
We're halfway there.
This thing is taking a toll on your shoulder.
We're a quarter way through with the whole trip. Yeah, that bag is heavy. I made Blaine start carrying it. We made it.
What does this say? 1,605? I wonder if we can see our name.
Yeah, we'll have to find it.
Baseball.
That way to New Mexico, and as you can see, Logan way up there in the distance went a little bit ahead of us. That's Logan for you.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Blaine?
We're taking the rocks.
No,
They gotta go to a better state.
he's throwing rocks from New Mexico to Oklahoma.
I'm saving them.
Bouncing rock to rock like we did at Quartz Mountain. Kind of cool. These rocks are a little bit smaller though.
I remember seeing it.
Alright, let's get off of this mountain. We made it back.
Yeah.
This is what downtime at the campsite looks like. We'll leave tomorrow. We hiked 9 miles today.